Once more, a blessed day to everyone. By the way, I am Fitzgerald William, the IT student of St. Paul University, Philippines, and my presentation is all about information security audit process. On my previous video, I have discussed risk assessment, the objectives and processes pertaining to IT audit, risk management, and risk treatment. In an organization, having security policies and procedures are not enough for an assurance that organizational information assets are well protected. The policies may not be sufficient or compliance with these policies may not be sufficient enough. For an assurance to be effective in achieving their objectives, a review must be performed. Thus, an audit is a very significant in organization, whether it is internal or external aspect, to check and assess the strengths and weaknesses and if they are in line with objectives in attaining their goals. There are different types of audits, such as income tax audit, financial audits, efficiency audits, and when it comes to information technology, our focus points on IT audits and information security audits. So what is then an information security audit? An information security audit is defined a systematic, measurable, technical assessment on how organization's security policy is employed. It is part of the ongoing process of defining and maintaining effective security policies. Security audits provide a fair and measurable way to examine how secure a site really is. Security audit may concentrate on specific applications, especially those handle financial transactions, firewalls that control the access to system resources, computer systems that host sensitive data and applications, corporate networks and intranets or extranets for secure process, crucial policies and procedures, physical support systems such as fire alarms, exits, electrical power systems, and emergency systems, among others. To give an overview on how information security audit process, we need to do the following steps. The first one is to identify security and compliance level in specific areas. Second, identify gaps and areas where specific actions are required, needed, and recommended. This will define the possible threats the organization is facing. An example of this might be a natural disaster, physical breaches, malware and hacking attacks, denial of service attacks, ransomware, malicious insiders, inadvertent insiders, phishing, and social engineering, to name a few. The third one is to make specific recommendations to achieve compliance, clarify or correct deficiencies, whether it is minor or major, and also reduce security risks. You may look to the organization's past experiences, its current state, and its future plans, as well how it can go with the current economic and social trends. And the fourth one is to develop a recommended action plan with timeline, dependencies, and estimated cost. Once you establish the risks associated with each threat, you're up to the final step, and that is creating the IT security audit checklist of controls that you need to implement. Examine controls that are in place and devising a way to improve them or implement processes that are missing. Common security measures that you may consider includes physical server security, regular data backup, firewall and antivirus, anti-spam filter, access control, user action monitoring, and employee security awareness. All deliverables should constitute a thorough assessment of current state of your security, as well as specific recommendations on how to improve things. The data from audit process is used to contribute to establishing a security baseline as well as to formulating security strategy of the organization. The knowledge gained from information security audits can help the organization, particularly the top model management, make a better decision on how to properly allocate budget and resources to mitigate risks. This will also serve as standards and guidelines to the organization's best practices to ensure that they are well protected. So that's my final presentation in Module 3. Have a wonderful day.